Okay, so I was not kidding. This is a big boy. I do know that is something or some things from his cookware. I have not talked to Babish himself. He's a very busy, very needed man. However, one of his reps contacted me, Amelia. Shout out to her because she's been super cool and cooperative through the whole thing, especially because shipping got delayed and there were some issues. But yeah, so all I know is this is cookware. The flap is over here. I mean, how can you say what's in the box without thinking of Seven? Need walk or bad box? I mean, whatever's in it, it's a dope box because it was sent to me by somebody with almost 10 million subscribers as a thank you for reviewing their products. So whatever's in it, it's going to be dope as hell. Oh yeah, he's going to go nuts over this box. I'm actually super happy about this box too, because this is a big ass box and I'm moving in like 2 months. Which is going to be my excuse for like the mess you see in the background because I'm moving soon and I just don't give a fuck about cleaning it, but also this is just who I am. So, will there be cooking live streams when I move? Yes. There absolutely will be. They're going to come back in a very big way. Okay, lots and lots of bubble wrap and alright, it's just bubble wrap. Stream's over. No, shit, there's a bunch of boxes in here. 1, 2, it looks like the items are like labeled on the sides of the boxes. I'm purposefully trying not to read them. Keep the surprise. 3, oh shit, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, we have hella boxes right now. Yo. I got you this box. I got you this box, homie. You don't give a shit. So, let's see. Let's get this guy first. And again, I am doing my best to not read these boxes. Oh, hell yeah. First thing, got a 5-quart Saute Pan. This is actually super dope because I've been sharing a lot of kitchen stuff with somebody for the past 5 years. So like, there's some stuff I don't have. I don't have one of those. So like, I'm gonna have to like kind of refurnish my kitchen when I move. So like, this is like extra f***ing cool. We'll go with a tiny box next. Oh, hell yeah. Got a mug with a whisk and a carving fork. That's dope. I'm gonna drink coffee out of this. And maybe liquor. We have a very small box here. I will bet money that this is a tiny whisk. Always cut towards yourself with your thumbs out. Oh shit. It's 2 tiny whisks. Maybe now I'll stop scrambling my eggs with a fork. This looks like a knife box. I don't know though. He sent me a whole knife set. The chef knife, the bread knife, a paring knife, and a little knife roll. So that's super dope. Oh, hell yeah. 6-piece mixing bowl set with glass mixing bowls with lids. That's super dope. That's so cool. Nice. I actually need more mixing bowls, and I want glass mixing bowls for videos. That's super cool. We have one more. This is a bigger one, and it's pretty heavy. What could this be? I genuinely don't know what this is. Like, I'm not playing any of this stuff. I didn't get any info. I didn't peek at anything. It is, in fact, another cast iron pan. Not another. A cast iron pan. And pre-seasoned. This is super cool. This feels like quality. This feels really good. I'm definitely going to use this. That's all the packages, but I think that we could stand to open these boxes and take another look at them. Start with this mug. I like that. That looks really cool. That's really fun, slick. I like that a lot. I'm definitely gonna drink coffee out of this tomorrow morning. Or afternoon, let's be real, I don't wake up in the morning. I'm actually really excited about these mixing bowls. Just got like some basic plastic lids that are shrink wrapped. And 3 bowls that all stack pretty nicely in each other. Got Babish's little face on there. And yeah, they're glass bowls. These feel really nice. I like these a lot. I really like these. Are they Pyrex? I don't know. Borosilicate. That's Pyrex. Oh, hell yeah. Tiny whisks. My God, they're so adorable. They're even cuter in real life. And of course, you got the Babish face on them. Let's take a look at this Saute Pan. Just got our lid. Feels nice. It's not super heavy, which is fine because it's a lid, as long as it covers and creates a seal. And so that, again, you got his face on there. Lid sits on there real nicely. Yeah, I don't really have much stainless stuff, so I'm really excited about this. I can do a lot with this. There's so much. I mean, I could honestly see something like this becoming one of my main pans other than my cast iron. That's super dope. And last, but certainly not least, we have our knife set. So these are the knives that I don't have. I've got the cleft knife. This is the chef knife, and the paring knife, and the bread knife, and a little chef bag. So a paring knife. Which, I mean, you know, that's a paring knife. Has that teardrop handle though, which is nice. We have our chef knife. Nice and light. Decent balance. Almost killed myself there. Not a bad little bread knife. And here's what I'm really curious about. The little knife roll. Simple drawstring tie. Velcro shut. And 3 knife slots. Makes sense. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. And there you have it, chat. That is the insane amount of stuff that Binging with Babish and team sent me as a thank you for reviewing his knife. Which, you know, I don't think anyone imagined that video was going to be as big as it was. I'm still chasing that high. I'm gonna be honest, I feel like that video was pretty instrumental in selling those cleft knives, because they were sold out for a while, not long after that video blew up. But yeah, that's super cool. So thank you to Babish and, you know, his team involved with this, especially Amelia, if she ever sees this. This is going on YouTube, by the way, obviously. I'm milking this for everything because I am a very small creator. But Amelia, who was his rep that I spoke with, you know, at length for a while, she was super cool, super nice. And again, since it's going on YouTube, there's a little red subscribe button there. If it's red, it should be gray. You can make it gray by clicking on it. There's a thumbs up there that should be blue. If it's not blue, you can make it blue by clicking on it. Leave a comment about stuff. Obviously, like, I'm gonna use all this stuff, and there's gonna be more reviews coming out. There's definitely gonna be some Babish cooker reviews coming from this. So yeah, that about does it for what's gonna be the video of this stream, and I'll see you guys soon.